Stop overpaying. Brainy Buyer's head-to-head comparison mean you save. Like what you see? Subscribe and fund the fight for honest reviews.
So I'm looking at these two Super-Automatic Espresso Machines. The Philips 5400 LatteGo renewed, and the De'Longhi Magnifica S. Seems like we're comparing apples and oranges a bit.
Yeah, definitely. The Philips is newer, right? I see it was released in September 2023, whereas the De'Longhi has been around since 2012. That's a huge difference in tech.
Exactly. The Philips boasts 12 different coffee options at the touch of a button, and that LatteGo system that's supposed to be super easy to clean. Plus, it has a fancy display for customization. The De'Longhi looks more basic.
It is. The De'Longhi Magnifica S does the basics really well. It's got that manual milk frother, which some people prefer for more control, and adjustable grinding settings. But yeah, it doesn't have all the bells and whistles.
What about the grinder? The Philips says it has ceramic grinders that are good for 20,000 cups.
The De'Longhi uses conical steel grinders, which they calibrate for 100% accuracy. Both are supposed to grind the beans fresh for each cup, though. Steel versus ceramic is always a debate, but both materials are known for a long life.
Right. And cleaning? The Philips emphasizes how easy the LatteGo is to clean. Just 2 parts and dishwasher safe.
The De'Longhi has dishwasher-safe parts too, but the customer reviews mention cleaning can be a bit of a hassle. Some say it's easy, others don't. It's a bit of a mixed bag.
Okay, so the Philips seems more convenient, with more features, but it's also a renewed product. That's something to consider.
True. While the De'Longhi is unavailable right now, it is a new product when and if it comes back in stock. The Philips is renewed, so it's been used before, and has a lower rating of 4.1 versus the De'Longhi's 4.3.
So if you want a machine with all the latest features and easy cleaning, and don't mind that it's renewed, the Philips 5400 looks good. But if you're looking for a reliable, straightforward espresso maker and can wait, maybe the De'Longhi is a better bet.
Pretty much. And the price difference, when the De'Longhi is available, is likely significant. The Philips renewed is $799. The De'Longhi is known to be much cheaper, so it comes down to budget and priorities.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.